Hi, good afternoon. My name is Davey, and I'm from J&D Remodeling. And today, October 15th, we are at Lauren Ikabe's property, which is 5303 Lubbock Road, District Heights, Maryland, 20747 2713. And today, we're going to be trying to do an attempt repair using a specific tool called snake bar.
Okay, this is the tools we're gonna use today, and also we're gonna try to not damage the shingle because as you can see, we have a lot of damage on the roof, but we're gonna show you guys it's not possible this time to do a temp repair. And of course, if it gets repaired, we're more than happy to repair the other shingles. And first thing, we're gonna remove the shingles, and then we're gonna remove the nails and down. You're seeing it right here. It's already got damage. The edge of the shingle. Why? Because the shingle is really old. If you're seeing it right here, this is already great damage. And then right now, we're gonna remove the nails. This is the damaged shingle, the one we. And also, do you have tape measurement? And also, if you can see, we try to not lift the shingle up more than 3 inches. And if you're seeing it, the shingle is not more than 3 inches. We try to not damage the shingle. And okay, got this one. And if you see the shingle, because it's really old, if you see it's toasted already, like toasted, and it's already damaged. We got this shingle right here, right now, and you're gonna take the measurement. The old shingle is 36 by 12 and a quarter, and this one is 12 even, and then right here it's a 37. It means this shingle is bigger than the new one. You see, we have a color difference, and then the sealant is not gonna work. Do you see it? Like we say, the shingle is out of production, it's discontinued. This one is not gonna work for the repair, but we're gonna use it for the emergency repair. Oh, and also, if you not notice, has a second layer under. And when it has a second layer under it, even when we using a GAF, GAF requires just to use one layer. We can't use new shingles over the other layer. I'm gonna use this one to do a temp repair, like not the emergency repair. And then I'm gonna try to not damage the shingle. And when you're gonna see, when I'm gonna start hammering, a lot of granules gonna come off. If you seen it right here, see the granules? You see, already start losing the granules. Maybe, you know, the the view of the video is not the same when you're in live. See the edge damaged. It's not only that. If you see it right here, like the way I have to use the tool creates more damages here. If you see it, it's a lot of granite that's lost. Trying to not damage the shingle, but sometimes the decking or it's really hard. And when you're using this tool, it's not when we use our hand to drive the nail into it. Shingle, it was easy. And if you see it right here, closer, it's already create a lot of damages right here. It's already create damages right here, you see? All these granule are lost right now, and now the mat is already gonna be like exposed to the UV. And it's not only that, if you seeing it right here, this is the old shingle where we remove the existing nail, and this is the new nail. If you see it right here, creates a damage, and it's a hole right here. Right now this exposed to the water leak. And you know, like you know about the roof repair, we gotta repair it to you know, for the leaks to not gonna get a leak from the roof to inside. And if you seeing it right here, if we repair this one, it's just a damaged shingle right here. And if we try to repair that, we gotta remove the flashing of the vent of this attic vent. And then right here, if you will try to repair these shingles, these damaged shingles, we're gonna damage more shingles around the damaged shingles. And then also right here, if you've seen it, that's the same thing. You see, we're gonna damage more shingles. Instead of repairing the shingle, we're gonna damage more shingles. If you see right here, it's a missing flashing on this one. It's a wind damage. And this one, I think it's leaking from the soffit. And then if we see the front, also I did the simulation for repair. If we see, you're gonna damage more shingles, and this shingle is really old. And my suggestion on this one, because a professional, is a roof replacement, a full roof replacement. This one is not this is not repairable. Thank you.